Good morning to the one and all present over here. Respected Sister Principal and our English teacher Sister Sonia, we are performing our ASL activity on analysis of IPL auction. I am here to introduce my group members, and my group members are Niranjan, Laksh, Kuldeep and I Krishna.
In these seasons, team released many players for the option. The team spent lots of money for build their team. In IPL 2021 players occasion, Mumbai Indians 15 crore and slot open 7 and overseas 4. Chennai Super Kings 19 crore, slot open 6 and overseas 1. Kolkata Knight Riders 10 crore, slot open 8, overseas 2. Sunrise Hyderabad 10 crore, overseas 3 and slot open 1. Rajasthan Royals 37 crore and slot open 3 and overseas 1. Royal Challengers Bangalore 35 crore and slot open 9 and overseas 3. Delhi Capital 13 crore, slot open 8 and overseas 3. Punjab Kings 53 crore and slot open 9, overseas 5. RCB. Who it perform in IPL auction?
I think RCB is performing good because it's by KL Jameson in 15 crore and Graham Maxwell in 14.25 crore and Dan Christian in 4.8 crore. I think RCB was increasing their ability and try to win in this IPL. RCB also buys KS Bharat, Prabhu Desai, Rajat Patidar, Ashruddin and Sachin Devi in 20 lakhs, and I think RCB will definitely win because RCB was increasing their ability, their batting performance and also increasing their bowling performance, so they can perform good from last season, and I think RCB will go in final in this season.
No, I do not think RCB come in final because they spent only 29 crores in only two players, Graham Maxwell and Craig Richardson. They also buy Shakibul Hasan as a all-rounder. Shakibul Hasan is a good all-rounder. They improve their batting and bowling also, but they not spend beat home by Shakibul Hasan. What do you think?
Because I think RCB was trying to increasing their batting performance so that they can.
But Shakibul Hasan is a good batsman also. And
But it needs a bowler also, na? Bowler, Glenn Jamieson or Mohammad Siraj, Bosing Sundar, Daniel Stone, Yuzvendra Chahal, Adam Jampa. These are bowler. We need bowler also. RCB player, not all rounder.
Shakibul Hasan is a good all-rounder and bowler. He take 5 wicket haul also and make hundreds also. So team also need a all-rounder who perform good in both.
But who need a batter? It's AB de Villiers. A good batsman like AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers is a good man and a game changer. It's anytime change the game and like a one-man army. So no need of batsman in RCB. Virat Kohli and
RCB only depended on their two batsmen like Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers.
No, RCB is depend on many players. RCB has
RCB in last 2013 season only depended their top batting of
because RCB was trying to set that much target, so the players cannot.
but this time we invest on bowlers also. Like Mohammad Siraj is a good bowler and Kyle Jameson, Dennis Christian like good bowler and I think is complete and fine going
Yeah.
improving in bowlers.
but I don't think RCB go in final. They complete in top 4, top 3 position in point 7. They are not in point topper,
But
table topper.
RCB has good players and their batting and bowling both are very nice, and I think RCB will go in final.
This time
And this season RCB will go in final.
Oh, I see.
Super Kings in this year.
Chennai Super King taken all spinners like Ismail Tahir and Mohan Ali as a spinner.
Okay.
It taken wicket and
The Chennai Super
Dhoni
Kings.
control on spinners.
Chennai pitch like is give more mother to spinner, so he taken more spinners like Imran Tahir, Karan Sharma, Moeen Ali, K. Gautam. The Moeen Ali also give a batting power.
Musical King also have an experienced player like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja,
DJ Bravo,
DJ
Suresh
Bravo,
Raina.
Fab du Plessis, and all.
Okay.
The Fab du Plessis is also a good catcher.
But do you think this year CSK will go in final or quad?
Yes, because this season
No.
many players come like Sohail Raina also come. They young player give a contribution in domestic cricket. They are in good form, so I think Chennai qualify for playoffs, not in final. And don't think they for finals, but I think they qualify in playoffs.
Okay.
In improving batting and
But-
batting improving.
Yeah.
It's improving batting, not bowler. He will be taken all spinners, not fast.
They have fast bowler also. Karan Sharma. Karan Sharma क्या? No Karan Sharma. Fast bowler Sam Karan, DJ Bravo, Lungi Ingeri, George Jessamwood.
But Dhoni only takes spinners.
No, he take fast bowler also. They have been fast bowler. Their bowling are very good in fast spin both.
I agree this point.
They have also dead bowler like DJ Bravo, Sam Karan, Lungi Ingeri.
And a good fielder.
Okay.
Yeah, Dhoni is a good fielder.
What do you about Dhoni retirement?
I think Dhoni will not retire after this match. It will play more seasons.
Okay.
But I not think Dhoni take retirement on this season because he take retirement for international cricket.
Now go back to the
Okay.
International cricket, and Dhoni are taken to another culture,
But-
another part in agriculture sector. They supply their crops to the Europe.
But it supports Chennai Super King. It's
Dhoni and
But Dhoni was taken retirement from international cricket only. He was playing IPL last season also, and I think Dhoni will play more seasons. He will not take retirement after this season.
no, I think he retired because of age. He cannot.
But after also his age, he was playing.
Chris Gayle also age of 40.
Then also he was playing.
What do you about Delhi Capital?
I think Delhi Capital is a good team. It will go to semi-final.
He was the final
No, I
team.
not going to semi-final. It's a playoffs and quarter-final.
Okay.
But I don't think he's going to
It's
semi-final.
very good team, and this year from last year experience, team was taken so many substitutes for the other players like Umesh Yadav.
What do you think about Umesh Yadav?
Umesh Yadav is a very good fast bowler. He was international career also is very good. He played test match for India. He play RCB.
But I think Umesh Yadav can take, but not Tom Curran. That's a 5.25 crore. It's not
It is
worth
the
it.
highest. It is the highest, a most expensive player of Delhi Capital, and I think they are expending more money on them.
But Tom Curran is the backup of Michael Stoinis. Michael Stoinis is a all-rounder of batting and bowling. But in any case, Michael Stoinis is injured, so he play Tom Curran.
But
What
do
about
you think Tom Curran will replace? Tom Curran was a good replacement for Michael Stoinis.
Michael Stoinis, no, Michael Stoinis is the expensive, exporting batsman and not good bowler. But Tom Curran is a good bowler. But he have a ability to hit sixes. So he take as a replacement of.
But do you think it is a good replacement?
Yes, I think.
I don't think.
Yes, I also
They
don't
are
think,
expecting-
because they are expending
they are
5.25 crore on Tom
Curran.
Tom Curran.
Okay.
I don't know. They like that, yeah.
Oh, there are not many all-rounder available to replace Michael Stoinis, Tom Curran, Wayne Cutting, and Shakib Al Hasan, but he taken Tom Curran. And Chris Morris also he taken also Chris Morris, but Chris Morris is the most expensive player. He taken by Rajasthan, so he taken another like replacement. So he take Tom Curran.
Okay, it's time for break. We will soon meet.
ये खेल है शेर जवानों का, लबेलों का मस्ताना।
Okay, break is over. We will continue our conversation. Welcome, Lux.
Away.
Sit. Fine. Sit. Welcome,
Hello.
Ronak. Sit. Welcome,
Yes.
Krishna. Sit.
Checking.
Okay. We will talk about IPL. First, what do you think about Kolkata?
Kolkata Knight Riders.
Kolkata Knight Riders is a weak team, I think. What do you think, Laksh?
The Kolkata are depend on their foreign players. Only Andrew Russell, one man army.
Ivasinski is also good bowler.
But he not taken in first round. He taken in second round for one.
What do you
When the players are when
What do you think about Harbhajan Singh?
Harbhajan Singh is a good bowler and he's a domestic player also.
Okay.
And
he take retirement from international cricket and it is the last season of Harbhajan Singh.
yes, it is last season, and I think he will definitely do something.
Yeah, because of KKR invest on 2 crore on Harbhajan Singh.
But KKR invested highly on Shakib Ali.
No, 3.2 crore.
But
Ah,
Shakib
but-
Russell are not able to play match because they are playing.
But
Pat Cummins-
they invested 3.2 crores on
But
Shakib.
they play all not play क्योंकि he played and Andrew Russell, Sunil Narine, Chris Morris, in Captain Morgan and Pat Cummins. He given Pat Cummins 15 crore, so he definitely play Pat Cummins.
What do you think about Harbhajan Singh?
Harbhajan Singh is an Indian cricket player. He is discussed in Rajasthan Royal.
No, it.
Rajasthan Royal is not a good team
Why he is not good team?
because
He also depend in foreign player.
Okay.
No,
They
you are
invested-
not dependent foreign player only.
they invested 15 crore on Chris Morris. 15 or 16 point something.
16.75, 25, 75.
16.75 crore on Chris Morris, and he was fully.
What do you
dependent-
think about Chris Morris?
Chris
Chris
Morris
Morris is a good all-rounder. He give maximum 4 overs.
No, I don't
That's why
think
he's
he's
the
a all-rounder.
that's why
He's
the-
all-rounder, so he
he's the
invest
that's why he's the
16.25
most
crores.
expensive player in IPL.
Season.
This
History of the season.
And
No,
he
he
was
was Virat Kohli is 7.5 crore.
In
But-
option,
in auction.
Who did-
Virat Kohli is a captain and he's
he taken by say replace
substitute.
no, not substitute.
Okay, Krishna. What do you think about IPL?
What do you think about IPL?
Explain the IPL.
IPL is the Indian Premier League.
IPL is Indian
And
Premier League, and from
it
IPL
is
the
not
players are
seen all over
selected
the
for
world.
the Indian team. The best player was
Can you
selected.
tell about me Akash Singh? Is selected for bowler, but I don't think he can control the bowling line. And they're those.
No, he taken is a replacement Akash Singh.
Okay.
He's a substitute.
No, they are players
Yes,
are
sir.
playing Mujiko Rani, Chris Morris, Joka Archer, Jeder Gunatkar, Andrew Dye, Mayank Markande. They
But last year-
good spinner, good bowler, Vical.
They also take Kuldeep Yadav. Can you
Cannot take Kuldeep Yadav.
Kuldeep Yadav? Where is it?
It is another Kuldeep Yadav. One Kuldeep Yadav is in KKR. He was like Chennai man spinner. Is another Kuldeep Yadav.
And
I not seen
from
he
from
played
last
domestic
year,
circuit
Laksh,
many
what
months.
do you think about Shivam Dubey?
Shivan Dubey is a good all-rounder. He was heavy enough to bowl 2 in just 3 overs, and he gives the batting lineup very good. In Rajasthan, we see the many all-rounders he had. Joka Archer, Shivam Dubey, Chris Morris,
Okay.
Rahul Tripathi.
No,
But-
Shivam Dubey is not
but
all-rounder.
from
Shivam
last, but
Dubey is an
from,
all-rounder.
but from last season, I don't
And
think But from last season,
What's your name in Rajasthan Royals captain?
Sachin
Sanju Samson.
Sanju Samson.
Okay. And vice captain Krishna.
Vice captain, I don't know. About
He-
Okay.
The Sanju Samson is the vice captain and Steve Smith is the captain in last season. But he released the Steve Smith and give captaincy to Sanju Samson.
Okay. But from last year, I don't think.
Sometimes they are not expensive.
Yeah.
Like Steve, Ben Stokes, Joe Butler.
But he takes a young captain to for the
They are
next.
experimenting.
They also give a chance to in the last season in an coming year.
But but in last season, Rajasthan Royals performance not good.
Not good, very bad.
Do you think this year they?
I
Because
don't
they,
think.
I also don't think he will.
I also
He
but
can only spend on
This month.
Chris Morris, 16.25 crore.
but he also taken Mujibur Rahman in 1 crore. He is a good
But
bowler.
I don't think from.
That bowler in BSC RCB spent too player 29 crore, but he taken another player only for 20 lakh. But he taken all domestic cricket, but he take international cricket players.
They are depending only on traditional cricket players.
Okay.
They are depending on foreign players.
Yes.
Okay.
They are playing for they play Jobracha, Ben Stokes, David Miller, Joe Butler, Chris Morris.
But they are depending on their players only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Laksh,
And I don't.
how many money investment in Rajasthan Royals?
Total.
Okay. Yes.
He invest good money to in their player, but we see holes in our in team in current squad also.
Okay.
We not see a proper bowler to give advice to Chopra Archer.
Okay.
Chris Morris have an injury inside. We are not sure he play all 40 match.
Okay.
He given 16
But
point
Rajasthan
27
Royals
crore.
team is very big, and I don't think from foreign players only they will win.
But here international also
Indian also?
India also Sanju
But that is
Samson,
depending on-
Rahul Tipatia,
No, Sanju Samson, depend on Sanju Samson.
Rahul
Rahul
Tipatia,
Tripadia.
Jaydev Unadkar, the good bowler. But we see Rajasthan investing one player is a lot of money in each season invest. Like in 19 he invest Unadkar, Ben Stokes,
But from
Butler.
last year,
I don't-
last 3-4 years, do you think the performance was improving?
We know.
Young captain can perform some.
Okay.
Improve
Talk
that.
about next team. Mumbai Indians.
Mumbai Indians have a
Mumbai Indian
was very good, strong team.
strong team.
They need one bowler. First of all, he come to the
They
Chris Morris.
don't need more bowler.
They
He
release
can handle.
they release his whole fast bowler Vickers. He released all fast bowler because Rasim Malinga take retirement. Those Pedersen not come to play. He released the Nelson Coulton and Mitchell McClenaghan.
Okay.
James-
Mumbai Indians. How many runs can gain in this year?
It's upon their play, how they play. It's
Runs,
upon the
not runs. How many matches he win or lose?
Okay.
This will come.
He was
Question come.
asking how many runs they will make. We
Yeah.
are not.
We see
Target.
We are not Baba.
yeah. we are not Baba.
We can't see the future.
We are to tell if team improve their in an option or not. We are not telling
Yeah.
about this. He play him maximum run
If
for
they can
300 in one
maintain,
match.
take final.
Yes, definitely. He
Because
has.
of Mukesh Ambani.
Yes,
No.
Because of
Can
Mukesh
also
Ambani support.
They will not have a.
Yes, I know. But because the owner of Mumbai Indians is very rich, and I think
But not. It is.
It can invest
It's
more
not
money.
Shatta. It's not a gambler.
No,
Gambler.
the IPL BCCI picks money for each team have equal money from their buying and selling, buying and release the player.
Can you tell about
Then
that?
what is your name in Mumbai Indians captain.
Rohit Sharma,
Okay, and vice captain.
Karen Pollard. And they have also Vikas of Quinton de Kock. And the latest news we will see the Ishan Kishan and Surya Kumar Yadav play for India in the T20 series against England.
Okay.
They by Ajay Tendulkar.
I don't think Ajay Tendulkar is player.
Ajay Tendulkar is a good player. Ajay
Not player. It's not a not recorded in Guinness.
he is the son of
Sachin Tendulkar, but not as a.
You think
What do you about
it
Sachin
is
Tendulkar?
Sachin Tendulkar is a legend player. He was
But
the god of
Ajay Tendulkar
cricket.
is not legend player.
Ajay Tendulkar is here because
Nepotism.
of her
Here
father.
also
Because of her
nepotism.
father.
Cinema also
But-
nepotism.
but-
Here also nepotism.
But Ajay Tendulkar not think his name is Tendulkar, so he come for his performance by this
But
domestic.
there are
He-
many players
Better than
better
Ajay.
than Ajay
Ajay
Tendulkar.
Tendulkar.
I-
Like
But because of her father, I
name
think he
of
was
his
here.
skill.
Because of his father, I think he was here.
Yeah, I also say that.
Nepotism.
In Mumbai, have a weakness of spin department, so he taken Piyush Chawla. You think he is good or bad?
Is good.
Piyush Chawla is good.
Because of Mumbai Indians need bowler. Leg spin, off spin.
They
They also have whole fast bowler.
they have spinner. They have spinner.
Not much.
They have spinner, but not more.
More
spinner.
experiment.
Yes.
They have Kunal Pandya,
But they are.
Ajit Roy, Anupul Roy, Jayendra Yadav, Rahul Chahal.
What do you think about Kunal Pandya?
Kunal Pandya is a good spinner, like left arm spinner.
Okay.
They give 4 overs and give batting too also. They depth in their batting. So I think
Kunal Pandya is a good player and
good all-rounder also.
Hardik Pandya is a great bowler.
But in now Hardik Pandya have problem in their back, so he not allowed to bowl maximum 4 or 3 months. So I think they take a backup for me is Jimmy Neesham. He was also good on
this is a good play, not the substitute he was taking for Hardik Pandya is good or not.
He was good. He taken Jimmy Neesham as a 2-player replacement.
What about Ishan
or
Kishan?
Hardik Pandya?
What about Ishan?
Ishan Kishan, a very good player. He was exporting player. He was a wicket keeper. I think Ishan Kishan is a good player. And now I see in news Ishan Kishan also debut in their T20 career for India. International cricket. What do you say?
And
Aditya Tare.
Aditya Tare is also wicketkeeper batsman.
No, it's not wicket keeper.
He is wicketkeeper batsman Aditya Tare.
I think it's a substitute player.
No, wicket. All not a substitute player.
He released Quinton Nile, but previous year, but he come back.
Because he released Golden Air in 9 crore in previous year, but he released Golden Air. But this season he take in 5 crore Golden Air, and another player Adam Milne also buy. They in one player price.
But why he released Quinton Nile in
for
previous year?
for to give to increase in their balance pass. In releasing Milton Golden Air, he taken 2 player of same player price.
okay, okay. Let's about talk next team. What do you think about the Punjab?
Punjab have big budget for only for 9 players. He was taken very expensive player for
He was
their
taking
team.
Richardson 14 crore.
Richardson is a good player in Big Bash League. He was the highest wicket taker.
That's why they are spending 14 crore on him.
Yes.
I made it 8 crore. Milan 1.5 crore. Moses Henry 4.2 crore. And Kevin Allen 75 lakh. But why he choose
Richardson.
Richardson 14.5 crore?
He was the bowling very well in the Big Bash League.
But he's also invest on outside player, international player.
They have-
don't invest in Indian player like Shahrukh Khan 5.5 crore.
The Shah Rukh Khan is a good batsman, expensive batsman, so he.
Jalal Saxena is
But
30 lakhs.
But Punjab not need of Indian batsman. He not have need of Indian player, but he have need of foreign player because he have only 3 foreign player.
Okay.
Chris Gale, Nicholas Puran, Chris
Chris
Jordan.
Gale.
Chris Jordan. But in these 3 players, we all not playing 11.
Not
Chris Gale,
not all
Chris
5
Gale.
players.
Chris Gale not play all 14 matches because of health issue. Health issue. In last season also we see he not play full matches. So his game become he taken David Miller, T20 number 1 batsman. He come in very less price,
What about
1.5.
KL Rahul? KL Rahul is classical player. What do you think?
KL Rahul is a very good batsman. I see his form increased by when he come to play Punjab. We see in RCB they are not show his proper form
He was
performance.
not in form.
Performance proper.
He was a form, but
his
but
performance was
when-
increasing by.
but when the KL come in Punjab, the first match he make the fastest 50.
In RCB, his
14
performance is
ball.
not good, but in Punjab, when he come to Punjab, his performance was increasing.
Because the Punjab gave us an important role to him. He was the captain also, wicket keeper, opening batsman. They are
That's why he was performing his best.
Yes, we see that the captain, the pressure of captain, he improved their batting.
It's also
Okay.
good.
Batsman in Punjab.
KL Rahul. It's a classical player.
It's the
But
best
he can
player of
play
Punjab.
every shot. Like 360, Virat Kohli, pull shot, sweep, reverse sweep.
The KL are very flick was very fantastic shot. When the flick like to see the
Let tennis show some flicks.
Okay.
Let's
Okay, let's
Thank you for this. Telling me this word. I can try in this tournament.
Yes, you can try in your
Which
tournament.
tournament?
Okay, good.
NCS?
Oh, which team you play?
Let's proceed.
Let's go around another team.
Which team?
Suggest some points on KL Rahul.
Yes, I know KL Rahul is a good batsman, and
He can play all shot.
yes,
You know about it?
no, I am not in.
Please tell me.
Can play all shot in given of the book. He not play like to shot like in power massage. He play like timing shot, timings and classic and late cut. He is
He not take place of Mahendra Singh
But-
Dhoni.
yeah, but
As a wicket keeper, not as a captain.
yeah, he take to place in now they will
After
see the
retirement.
KL Rahul do the keeping in T20 and ODI, but KL Rahul are as a best in batting, but when KL Rahul do keeping, he come in number 5. So I not think is the good place of KL Rahul.
I think KL Rahul is place of.
Was opening batsman was very good. When KL Rahul play on opening T20 was like amazing. Not another player look
Okay.
like KL Rahul. When he is in their prime form. We see in IPL. In
Okay,
last-
Krishna,
in
what
last
do you think
season,
about KL Rahul?
He scored 79 runs.
Okay,
You don't know about KL Rahul?
I know about KL Rahul. KL Rahul is a very good batsman.
Yeah, we all know about this.
After coming to Punjab from Bangalore, his performance was increased because he was made a captain, and his.
He is not a captain.
In last season he make a captain.
But after coming in Punjab, his performance was increased, and from by seeing his performance, he's become the captain of Punjab.
Okay.
And I think he's the best player.
I also think he's a best player. But
Yes.
what the reason?
All about
reason of a best player?
Because of his
we
batting,
tell him
bowling,
in keeping line is come in fifth number. So you can also tell about this. I not agree this.
You are not agree with this, but
Because KL Rahul is best keeper.
Not come in
but
batting
KL
number
Rahul
5. He play to opening. But
Batting
not
not
come
keeping.
Keeping was very good. But I
KL
say
Rahul after
when
doing
he
keeping-
keeping, he come number 5 to bat. But I say
He can handle Punjab.
yes.
yes,
he's a good captain.
In last season when he lose continues 7 matches, but when he Kerala come, he continues win 5 matches. In the Punjab had some problem with umpires. The 2 matches they are by shortened by calling by umpire, but they is not shortened. Agar they was not shortened, so Punjab will qualify for playing the matches. So I think Punjab also win the IPL in last season.
I'm agree with Laksh's statement. And I
So
Talk about your next team. What do you think about Hyderabad?
the Hyderabad have not to buy many players. They have only 3 players remaining from their squad. So these 3 players are Kedar Yadav, Mujibur Rahim, and Sun.
He buy Kedar Yadav 2 crore. Why? CSK released that player.
Kedar Yadav is the best price of 2 crore. They are not giving him more money. And Mujibur Rahim also he taken on the best price.
1.5 crore.
Yes, he not giving him more money.
Can you explain?
When the player come in option, they have the fixed best price. So Kedar Yadav have 2 crore, Mujibur Rahim is 1.5 crore.
So it
So,
is the base
No,
price.
what about this player, yeah? Jagdish.
Jagdish is the spinner, so he need a one spinner, so he buy a domestic.
Or he is a all-rounder. I think.
Bowling
all-rounder.
Bowling all-rounder. He's a bowling all-rounder.
The batsman who was bowling is good, but he do the batting.
You are waiting.
Yes, Mujibur Rahim is a fantastic off spinner,
Okay.
so I think it's a good buy to he, but the
Kedar Yadav is right-hand batsman or left-hand batsman?
right hand best.
Right-hand.
Suggest 3 teams which is best.
In king of
I think Mumbai Indians.
Okay.
Mumbai.
And Krishna?
I think RCB.
No, I am not
Punjab.
clear about RCB.
I think RCB is the best team.
No, I think not.
I think it's
They're not
smart.
improving batting, bowling.
It's smart thinking. I think RCB is the best team. And it's
But RCB has some point slot available, but they not.
What about
thinking how it
CSK?
is.
RCB can take quarter final, but not final.
Okay.
We agree?
We are
watching our video. This is our ASL activity, and this is
Our
our
tech is serious for
because this is our opinion about the teams. And thank you.
Thank
Don't
you.
take seriously.